Alright guys, we'll have a train meet here at Old Salem Road. About to have a train meet. There's a train down there stopped. Here comes one from this side. This is our first time ever catching a train this crossing. Yeah, it's the first time ever catching a train at Old Salem. We just got here. Yep, there goes the bell. My first time recording here. I want to because that mechanical bell. And then there's another train stopping the other side, so we're gonna wait on him to come. We just got here too. Just got back from Lebanon and we're already catching something. It's starting to sprinkle a little bit, so it is raining out, but probably don't look too bad while we're out here. Here's the end right there. There he goes. Alright, now here comes the other train, so we're waiting on that one. So peace out, guys.